Welcome to Just Save Home Appliances YouTube channel. This is Ken again. So if you see this for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. So in front of you today, I have this Tornado. This is Tornado 7.7 liters washing machine. First of all, have you ever wondered how much washing machine goes for here in Kenya? Yeah, they're not that much expensive, especially if you know just save home appliances. That's why you need to hit that notification bell so that next time we upload a video, you'll be the first one to see it. Now, this is one of the most affordable one that we have. We have many of them. Uh, we have many varieties, but for now, I just want to show you this Tornado 7.7 liters. This is how it looks. This is a twin tub, and I'm making this video to make a comparison between this type, and we have another type here, and we have another type there. So I'm gonna show you the differences between the three, but first I want you to see this. So this is a twin tub. Twin tub means it has one washing tub here and another spinning tub right over here. So this they are usually one of the most affordable one because again they're easy to use, and even if and also the installation process is so simple. So this is where the inlet goes, and it comes with the installation equipment. So this is the inlet. You have it installed right here. So this is where you put it. The outlet is already installed over here. So this is where you let out your water. So this one doesn't have a lot of presettings. So you just maybe you put your clothes here. You use the timer right here. This is the timer. You use this selector. This is the selector for how strong do you want to wash. Do you want a standard wash? Do you want a strong wash? And this is the drainage area. This is where you select when you want to drain. This is the spin timer. The spin timer controls the spinner, and this is the spinning tab. This is the spinning tab. So using this is not that hard. Let me make it simpler for you to understand. This washing machine is requires even minimal water. You don't have to have a lot of supply of water. In fact, if you don't have that much supply of water, you can pour some water with jerry cans on top. So this is a easier way to eliminate the urge of having pressurized water. So if any type of water, you can use it right here. And again, another thing, it doesn't care if you have a salty water or fresh water. Any type, all types of waters are okay. This, by the way, it's a lint remover. Lint remover. You'll get them in most washing machine, but I bet most people do not know what the use of this. This is the lint remover. So when your clothes are developing lint, most of the time they are left in this lint remover. So you just take it out for some time and pour it out and take it back. So it's a good feature to have. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And this is the spinner. So basically, if you have a woolen duvet, you can wash it, but you can't dry it because the dry is small. This is not even the dry, this is the spinner. You can't spin it because the spinner is small. So you can wash it and then maybe dry it yourself. So yeah, there you go. You just get yourself this 7.7 washing machine for just 19,500 here at Just Save Home Appliances. Actually, we also do delivery across the country. All you have to do is to pay the delivery fee for this product, and when it gets to your house, then you can pay the rest. Our number to order is 0720616098. We are also located at Roiro Bypass, Roiro Bypass, Kihunguro, opposite, next to Shell petrol station. So the number on the screen 07206160, you can call to inquire for direction or anything else. So see you in the next one.